Internship at Hackveda. So guys, if you are planning to apply for Data Analyst Internship at Hackveda, you can reach out to our website hackveda.in and you can scroll down to Open Internship section. Here you will find Data Analyst Internship and you can quickly click on Learn More to get started with the internship assessment quiz. So how will you be selected for this internship? You have to take a simple internship quiz and you will be selected for the Data Analyst Internship at Hackveda. If you want to see what are the job requirements, you can reach out to Data Analyst Internship job requirements. What are the roles, responsibilities, you will get a quick idea. You can also watch our data analytics versus machine learning versus data science video in order to get an understanding about what is asked in the internship quiz. So now you can quickly click on internship quiz. You can start the internship quiz. Now the overall objective is you have to register here with your correct name. This name will be used on your internship selection letters and completion letters. So make sure you use the correct name. Make sure you use the correct email ID, because during your internship this will be your this email ID will be the most important mail ID, which will be displayed on all your certifications, on your selection letters. All the internship communication will be done on this email ID only. So make sure that you guys use the correct email ID. Then you can specify your mobile number and your organization or your college name from wherever you have joined in. So if you are from any specific college, you can specify name of your college and you can click on start the internship quiz. Now what are we going to do? Here you will get 10 seconds to answer. So what type of analysis is used to predict future outcomes? So that is predictive analytics. The next question is, what is a data warehouse? So data warehouse is a tool for cleaning data. So we can quickly like this. In which type of analysis is historical data used to predict future outcomes? So the correct answer would be predictive analysis. This is third. The next question will be asked is, which term refers to missing values in a data set? So I think that is correlation values. You can quickly click here. Moving on to the next question, which term refers to data collected at a single point in time? So again, it is longitudinal data. You can select that. Which type of data is measured on a scale with equal intervals? Again, this is, I think, interval data. You can quickly click here. Now moving on to the next question, which of the following is an example of qualitative data? So customer feedback, monthly sale revenue, this is the correct one. Moving on to the next one is, which type of analysis explains what is happening in the data? So descriptive analysis is the one which lets you know what is happening in the data. Which statistical measure represents the average value of a data set? So mean represents the average value of the data set. Moving on to the next one. So which statistical tool is used to visualize data distribution? Venn diagrams are used to visualize data. Which data type represent categories with a natural order? So ordinal data, categories with a natural order. Which measure of central tendency is most affected by extreme values? So this is mean. Mean is the correct one. Now moving on to, which data format is commonly used for structured data? So I think this one is CSV. You can write correct. Moving on to the next one, which tool is in Excel is used for filtering data based on specific criteria? So that's filter. Filter is the correct answer. Moving on to the next one, in data visualization, which graph is best for comparing categories? So bar chart is one for comparing categories. Moving on to the next one, which tool is used for querying and managing databases? So which tool is used for querying and managing databases? That is SQL is the correct one. Moving on to the next one, which method is used to group data into ranges? Yeah, binning is the correct answer. Moving on to the next one, what does the term big data refer to? So large volumes of structured and unstructured data. That's what big data refers to. Moving on to the next question, what does the count function do in Excel? So it highlights duplicate entries, as in it calculates the average. That should be the correct one. Moving on to, what is a key feature of big data? Now I think that is volume, variety and velocity. That one is the correct one. Which Python library is widely used for data analysis? So I think this is pandas is used for data analysis. That's one is the correct one. Which what is the primary use of Excel pivot tables? So summarizing large data sets, we use Excel pivot tables for this. Which graph is best for showing trends over time? So I think line graph shows the trends in an appropriate way. What is the purpose of using conditional formatting in Excel? So to create pivot tables, that's where we do conditional formatting. Moving on to the next one, which Excel feature allows you to summarize and analyze large data sets? Pivot tables is the correct answer. Moving on to the next one, which type of analysis explains why something happened? So I think diagnostic analysis lets you know why something happened. And what is the purpose of filtering data? To format the data set, that's why we need filtration. Moving on to which chart is best for showing parts of a whole? So pie chart is the correct one. Moving on to the next one, what does a p-value in statistical analysis indicate? The range of data values, that is indicated by this. Which function is used in Excel to calculate the sum of a range of values? So the correct answer would be sum. So that's how we have taken this quiz. Now once you have attempted the quiz, you can quickly see that I have passed this quiz. An internship selection letter will be issued within 48 hours to your registered email address. So guys, it's a great time. Apply for Data Analyst Internship and get started with data analysis job roles at Hackveda. This internship is remotely available. This is online. So you can quickly pass a quiz, get the selection letter and get started with your Data Analyst Internship. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take this quiz today on hackveda.in and get started with your data analysis internship. Thank you so much.